Hello friends, so this is the second question related to maximum power transfer theorem. So this is the circuit here and we have to find the value of R for which maximum power transfer will take place and also the value of that maximum power. So again, the first step is to find the Thevenin equivalent circuit across this unknown resistor R by open circuiting these two terminals. Okay, so we have to do first what we'll do is that we'll redraw the circuit. 2 ampere, 15 ohm, 6 ohm, 6 volt, 3 ohm, and then we have to open circuit. Okay, this is the VTH. So again, what more we can do to simplify this whole circuit is that here we see that this 2 ampere current source is in parallel with this 15 ohm resistor. So we can apply source transformation to convert this current source into a voltage source in series with the same resistance. So this will become 15 into 2, 30 volt in series with 15 ohm, 30 volt in series with 15 ohm. So it will be 30 volt, 15 ohm, this. Now we have to find this current I flowing through this whole loop. So that will be, if we apply KVL here, we will have 30 minus 15I minus 6I minus 6 minus 3I is equal to 0. Here no current will flow because it is open circuited, so the same I will flow here too. So that will give us, that implies 30 minus 6, that is 24, is equal to 15 minus 6, 15 minus 6 minus 8. Okay, so that is also equal to minus, it is equal to 24I. Okay, 24 is equal to 24I. That implies I is equal to 1 ampere. I is equal to 1 ampere. 30 minus 6 is 24, minus 15I minus 6I minus 3I is equal to 24. So 24I is equal to 24I is equal to 1 ampere. So we have got I is equal to 1 ampere. Now we have to find the value of VTH. So here it is 8 volt. So here if we apply KVL in this direction, okay, then we'll get, this is the polarity here, plus minus, so it will be VTH minus 3I minus 8 is equal to 0 because it is 8 volt. That implies VTH is equal to 3 into 1 plus 8, which is equal to 11 volt. VTH is equal to 11 volt. So we have got VTH. Now we have to find RTH. Okay, so RTH will be, we have to deactivate all the independent voltage sources and current sources and find the equivalent resistance. So we have to deactivate the voltage and current sources current sources will be open circuited. This 2 ampere will be open circuited. This is 15 ohm, 6 ohm, 16 volt will be short circuited, then 3 ohm, and this 8 volt will also be short circuited. This is 3 ohm. So RTH. So this is equal to 15 plus 6. RTH is equal to 15 plus 6 because these two are in series and the resultant is in parallel with this 3 ohm. So which is equal to 21 parallel 3. Okay, 21 parallel 3, which is equal to 21 into 3 by 21 plus 3, which is 21 into 3 by 24, just cancelled 8, which is equal to 21 by 8 ohm. So RTH is equal to 21 by 8 ohm. So we have got VTH and we have got RTH. So the value of R for maximum power transfer is equal to 21 by 8. Okay, so we have got the Thevenin voltage, which is equal to 11 volt. We have got the Thevenin resistance 21 by 8 ohm. So the value of R for maximum power transfer is equal to 21 by 8 ohm, because that is the statement of maximum power transfer theorem, and that maximum power PR max we know is equal to VTH square by 4 RTH, which will be 11 square by 4 into 21 by 8, which will be, let us calculate, 11 square by so it is coming 11.5238 or 11.524 watts. Okay, it is coming as 11.524 watts. That is the maximum power that is transferred to this resistor R, 11.524 watts. So these are three important parameters related to this question: VTH, RTH and PR max. Okay, so this is the second question related to maximum power transfer theorem.